It's pushing quite good for a fucking family car and diesel. And with the 18 inches in the back, the corners it's holding up. Still got the stock springs, so, and coilover, so it's a little bit of a boat, but yeah, I mean, it's really comfortable. I mean, for cruising along, it's a perfect car, really. Comfortable ride, quiet car, and enough of power. The only thing I don't like is the automatic. Coming from a Golf R, obviously with a manual, it's something different. I know, I get it, it's an old car, old automatic. It's not made for going fast, shifting fast. But sometimes I don't understand what automatic is doing. But yeah, I mean, I think it doesn't get any comfier than this car. Plenty of room. Obviously bought it for my business to carry around things. Yeah, but I think it's perfect. You have space, you have a diesel, you have 540 Newton meters, 231 horsepower. All-wheel drive, obviously. Full throttle. The only thing, I already had a problem with the OPF the last time I was in the Dolomites. So yeah, don't know what to do about that. I don't know if you can hear the engine over the GoPro, but I don't think so. Definitely not with the window open. Ah, maybe. But yeah, Exhausted. So, making a little walk around to show you the car. Yeah, so this is it. My 2012 Mercedes C300 CDI 4Matic. As I said, 231 horsepower, 540 Newton meters of torque from a 3-liter V6 engine. I'm still not used to it. .3-liter V6, and yeah. 225/40, 18 inches in the front, and which I love. 255s 40, 18 inches in the back. Still everything stock. Also got the panoramic roof, and which the dealer gave me is the full AMG Plus interior with the AMG's carpets, the sport Alcantara seats. Unfortunately, the other thing I didn't got, because the other car was a 350 rear-wheel drive, so the steering wheel wasn't compatible with this car. Also in the back, and yeah, I mean, not bad. As I said, quite comfortable. Can take things with me. Now it's a little bit dirty, but yeah. Otherwise, there's nothing, not much to say. 196,000 kilometers on the clock, but for these engines it's not that much. If you look after them, make your service regularly, it's quite good. Yeah. So this is my new car, the Golf. Obviously I had to sell because of the business. Need a good, reliable car with transportation, and yeah, so this is it. I think it's a perfect all-rounder. You have a lot of power, a lot of torque, 4x4. Looks, I like it very, very much. Actually love it. Even the 18 inches wheels. Obviously it isn't a Golf Definitely not as loud as the Golf, not as fun as the Golf, but it is what it is. Business comes first. So